Thinking about your love.
If you need someone to care,
Thinking about your love.
yeah,
Welcome to this beauty collab family video. Today we're doing an event to remember, hosted by Sahara Coleman. She came up with this topic and we're going to kill it. All right, guys, so I'm glad that you're here. Pull a chair, sit down, relax. Of course, as you can see in the video, I filled in her brows with a pencil, and then I went in with a brush, a brown eyeshadow, and just filled out all the sparse places in her eyebrow. I'm going to use a concealer to clean around her brows and also use it as an eyeshadow base. After I'm done that, I'm going to use the Beauty blender to just blend everything in so it looks very nice and smooth. I'm going to blend the top of the brows also to make sure that we don't have a halo brow. And then I'm using Mary Kay moisturizer all over her face to keep her face moisturized and soft and ready for foundation application. I'm just gonna go ahead and set the concealer with a little translucent powder, nothing much. I'm using the Beauty Collab family eyeshadow palette, which is the Beauty Glazed palette. And I'm going in with the brown to act as a transition color. Next, I'm going in with dark brown. It is to the extreme top right of the palette. I'm going to use that towards the tail ends of her eyes to just kind of start building some type of dimension. I try to blend all the ends together so it doesn't look so patchy. You can't tell one color from another. I like that look better, so that's what I usually go for. Next, I'm gonna go in with the silver color. It is like a champagne, a light gold champagne color in the palette. I'm just gonna put that in the inner part of her eye. As you can see, I'm just putting an eyeliner prematurely, but I'm just putting that there because I want to double it so it can pop. So I'm going to continue with my shadows, and I'm using a brown bronzy shadow in the palette to blend the ends, the outer edge of the silver that I just put. So I'm going to leave the eye right now. I'll come back to it, and I'm just going to put some foundation on all over her face. I am using a Real Techniques brush. I really like this brush. I think it does a great job. I feel like it does a pretty good job, just like my beauty blender. So I don't want to use it at all. Next, I'm going to blend out using the same brush. And voila, we're done with that. Now I'm just going to be contouring. Now what I did after I blended everything out was just basically set her face with a powder that's close to her color. And next I'm just going to apply a bronzer around it in the hollow of her cheeks and around the perimeter of her face. And now for the bottom of the eye, I just basically put like a dark shadow close to the eye, and below that I blended it out with a dark brown eyeshadow. We're moving to the lips. I am using a Beauty Supply bought lip pencil and like a maroon color to line her lips, and when I'm done I will put red lipstick. I just like to line with a darker lip liner, I don't know. I want to talk about this highlighter that I bought from Estee Lauder. I really like it. It is so cute. It is called Mirage Bronze Goddess, and it was like $45 or something, but I bought this and I just wanted to tell y'all about it.
I see clear, my heart is here, we've got each other.
And my client, she loves to sing. So when she comes, I always play music for her, and as you can see, she ends up singing the entire makeup session. I don't care. You can sing, you can cough, you can do whatever. I'm doing the makeup. I'm doing what I got to do, so it doesn't bother me at all. The lashes I used were Time Infamous lashes. Gosh, I bought this years ago.
You ain't gotta do mascara, do you? So you know.
I think
One more what?
mascara.
Girl. Ooh. These things feel funny. I feel like I got glasses on.
And we're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you, Sahara, for this idea. I thought this time I'd do somebody else instead of myself. Guys, don't forget to go into the description box and watch every member's video and see what they came up with for this look. Right, love you guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, pound on it, and let's make this channel grow. Come on, come on, come on. All right, bye.